Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to complete PayPal's Know Your Customer, or KYC, process. This is a crucial step for all users to ensure the security and integrity of your account. By verifying your identity, you unlock full access to PayPal's features, including significantly higher transaction limits and enhanced protection against fraud. It's a straightforward process designed to comply with financial regulations and keep your funds safe. Let's dive into what you'll need. To begin, you'll need to gather a couple of essential documents. First, have a valid government-issued photo identification ready, such as your passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Second, you'll need proof of address, which could be a utility bill, a bank statement, or a credit card statement, ideally dated within the last 3 months. Make sure all details on these documents are clear, legible, and precisely match the information on your PayPal account to avoid any delays. Once your documents are ready, log in to your PayPal account. You'll typically find prompts for verification in your account overview, often under the Resolution Center or a specific notification. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely upload clear images of your identification and proof of address. PayPal may also ask you to confirm a bank account or credit card by making a small deposit or charge, which you then verify, adding another layer of security and identity confirmation. After submitting your documents, PayPal typically takes a few business days to review everything. You'll receive email notifications and updates within your PayPal account regarding the status of your verification. It's important to regularly check these. If you experience any unexpected delays, or if your documents are rejected, don't hesitate to contact PayPal's customer support. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any issues, ensuring your account is fully verified and ready for all transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.